In this video, I'm going to show you how to add data from Google Sheets to Pipedrive. So in here, after successfully accessing homepage of your Pipedrive account, note that there is no organic way to connect or sync in your Google Sheets account onto the Pipedrive account that you're currently using. Now, to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to simply download the Google Sheets spreadsheet as a CSV file. Then we upload the CSV file onto whatever purpose that we're going to use here in Pipedrive. So let's say for this video, we have already downloaded the Google Sheet file as a CSV, and we're going to add it to the leads. Now, to do that, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Pipedrive account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the menu navigation on the left side bar of the screen, and we click on leads. Now, once you click on leads, this will then direct you to the complete list of leads in different categories, as well as the information and details that are associated to each data type in here. Now, we're going to use the importation tool. On the upper part of the screen, you can see in here various navigation access that you can execute subjected to these leads. Now, we simply click the add lead green button in here. There's a drop down. Once you click this will then activate the option to import data. You simply click in here, and this will then prompt the steps on how to start importing your data. So the first thing that you're going to do is to locate the file info. Since we are talking about leads and the CSV from the Google Sheets contains information about leads, we simply click on leads in here, then we click next, then we upload the file. We simply locate the file that we're going to upload. Let's say we're going to use this file. We simply click open in here, then we wait for it to upload. And after finishing uploading, this will then automatically direct us to field number 3, wherein we will ensure that the fields that we have on the spreadsheet from Google Sheet is accurate to the fields that we have in Pipedrive. So after verifying in here, we simply click next. And once next, you will be directed to the preview, wherein you verify and confirm that everything is accurate. Then once preview, you simply click start import in here. Then wait for it to import, and after that, you have now successfully added data from your Google Sheets into your Pipedrive. And that's about it. That's how to add data from Google Sheets to Pipedrive. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.